Well, hi there, pluckers. I've Sore Fingers back with you again for hopefully another bit of fun or torture, whichever you like it best. Classic song from Barry Manilow, part 2 of my lessons on his song I Write the Songs. Okay. In part 1 we covered the intro, the first verse, the first chorus, and then we went into part of the intro again to lead us into verse 2. And then the second chorus, and that's where we pick it up now. At the end of the second chorus we go into the bridge section. Okay, so coming out of the second chorus it comes into that G minor 7th with C in the bass, just a bar across the first 5 strings on the 3rd fret there. I write the songs, I write the F, chorus songs, and it's just a single strum on the F there. Okay, so it's I write the songs, I write the songs. Bit of a mini pause, and then we do this little lead bit. Okay, and all that is the bottom E string, 1st fret, open bottom E string, and then back to the 1st fret on the bottom E string. So it's and then da 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 on that 1st fret. Got that? Got that, right. So I write the songs, I write the songs. And then we go into this middle bridge section. The first chord is an E7 sus4. And this is all single downstroke stabs. It's like, oh, music makes you dance and gives you spirit to take a chance. That's dap, 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 okay? So first chord is E7 sus4, which is simply second finger is playing the 2nd on the 5th, the A string, and my third finger is playing the 2nd on the 3rd string, the G string. 2nd on the 5th, 2nd on the 3rd. Just a simple downstroke. Music makes you dance, and on dance it's E7. That's 2nd on the 5th, 1st on the 3rd. Okay, so sorry. Oh, music makes you dance, gives you spirit is E minor 7th, and all you need for that is 2nd on the 5th. All the rest of the strings are open. Okay, so it's oh, music makes you dance, gives you spirit, take a chance, is back to E7. So it's E7 sus4 to E7 to E minor 7 to E7. Right, so I write the songs, I write the song. Oh, music makes you dance, gives you spirit to take a chance. Right, now we've got a rundown on A. And gives you spirit. There's a bass rundown on an A chord basically. I start off by playing the A chord, and you can play it 2 ways, the standard A chord, but play the A string on its own first. Alright, or you could play as a lazy A, just borrowing the 2nd fret of the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings with your 1st finger, play the open A string and strum that, or you can just play it like that. Then what we do, I tend to play it like this because there's a rundown coming on the bass. So you open A string, lazy A, then you put your 3rd finger up to the bottom E string, 4th fret, play the A chord again. So it's, if you play it this way, it doesn't make no difference, it's just whichever you fancy. I find that's easier from moving your hand about. Okay, that's basically A with G sharp in the bass. Okay, so it's, then the next chord is an F sharp minor bar chord. Okay, because you need to play that 2nd on the bottom E, barring the 2nd fret, 1st finger, 4th fret of the 5th string and the 4th string. Hit that note and then play the chord. So it's and then the open A string and the A again. or bottom E string, sorry. It's F sharp. Then we play the bottom E string, open A chord. So it's okay. So it's a rundown: A, open A, fourth fret on the B on the bottom E, second fret on the bottom E, open E. Right. So far it goes I write the songs, I write the song. Oh, my music makes you dance, gives you spirit to take a chance. I wrote some rock and roll so you can move. Okay, now we go to G sus4. Now ideally a bar chord needs to be a bar chord really, 3rd fret major shape G chord, alright, but with your pinky on the 5th fret of the 3rd string, that one, okay, and it's like 2 stabs on that, and then just take the pinky away and you've got G7, and then back with this sus4 with the pinky on the 5th fret of the 3rd string. So it's music fills my heart, well that's a real fine place to start. Okay, that's the easiest way of playing it. Okay, so right from the beginning of the it's a bridge section again where it goes into it. I write the songs, I write the songs. My music makes you dance, gives you spirit to take a chance. I wrote some rock and roll so you can move. The music fills your heart, well that's a real fine place to start. But it's from me, it's for you. Now this is all just single strums. The last bit is quite quick. It's that G minor 7th with C in the bass, the 3rd, just a simple bar across the first 5 strings on the 3rd fret. It's from me, it's from C, you, back to the G minor 7th with C in the bass, to C. You do that like that. It's like from you, it's from me, it's for you, it's from you, it's from me. It's a worldwide sympathy. Just backwards and forwards with that bar across the first 5 strings on the 3rd fret to a C chord. It's from me, it's from you, it's for me. Sorry, to get the words right. It's from me, it's for you, it's from you, it's for me. It's a worldwide sympathy. Okay, so the whole thing, bridge section. I write the songs, I write the songs. Oh, music makes you dance, gives you spirit to take a chance. I wrote some rock and roll so you can move. Music fills your heart, but it's a real fine place to start. It's from me, it's for you, it's from me, it's for me. It's a worldwide sympathy. Bit of a pause and it changes key. This is the chorus again, but in a different key. Now we're going up to A major. I write the songs that make the whole world sing. Right, A. I write the songs, A major 7. That's 2nd on the 4th, 1st on the 3rd, and 2nd on the 2nd string. 5 downwards. A major 7. Okay, 2nd on the 4th, 1st on the 3rd, 2nd on the 2nd. Okay? Right, so it's A. I write the songs that make the whole world sing. B minor 7. So that's a B minor. Okay, bar chord. I'm barring the first 5 strings. Okay. And then I'm playing the 2nd on the 3rd string with my 2nd finger, and the 4th fret of the 4th string with my 3rd finger. 5 downwards. If you can't manage that, just play a simple B minor. it'll be alright. Second on the second on the top E string with my first finger, third fret of the second string, second finger, and then fourth fret of the fourth and third strings with fourth fret with your third and pinky. 4 downwards, don't play the bottom E string or the fifth string, okay? So it's I write the songs that make the whole world sing, if I can write, okay? Then to an E7, which we played in the middle section, the bridge section. Second on the fifth, first on the third. I write the songs, back to the A. So it's I write sympathy. I write the songs that make the whole world. I can't sing it now. I write the songs that love a special being. And then a quick E chord. Okay? I write the songs that make the whole world sing. I write the songs of love, a special thing. Okay, then we come into this little rundown again on a minor, F minor, F sharp minor rather, F second fret, bar, first 3 strings, 4th fret of the 5th string and 4th string, 5 downwards, F sharp minor, and then all you do is you take your pinky off and put your second finger on the 3rd fret of the 4th string. Okay. This is this F sharp major, minor, major 7th sort of thing. Rundown. And then a bar on the first 4th string, 2nd fret, 3rd finger playing the 4th fret of the 5th string. So you got okay, and then basically a bar across the 2nd fret, 5 downwards. So it's I write the songs that make the young girls cry. B7. Got that? I write the songs that make the young girls cry. So far, you come out of that bridge section. Sympathy. I write the songs that make the whole world sing. I write the songs of love and special thing. I write the songs that make the young girls cry. Okay, got that far? Then we go to the B minor 7th again, but with E in the bass. This time you can play the bottom E string open with it. Okay? I write the songs, just a single strum will do nicely. I write the songs, I write the songs. Songs. Now this is where it would change key again, but I don't do that. I stay in the key that we're in now, the A key. Okay? So after you've done that, I write the songs, I write. I go into this F sharp minor rundown again. Very quickly, that's F sharp minor major 7, F sharp minor 7, the bar across the 2nd fret, 5 downwards, and then the B7. And then it just goes, I write this music, I write the songs. Back to a B minor 7th with E in the bass. I write this music, I write the A songs. End of song. Okay? So, the whole thing from the bridge section slowly. Okay? This is quite difficult. Right, so coming out of the second chorus. I write the songs, I write the songs. My music makes you dance, gives you spirit to take a chance. I wrote some rock and roll so you can move. music fills your heart, well that's a real fine place to start. It's for me, it's for you, it's from you, it's for me, it's a worldwide sympathy. I write the songs that make the whole world sing. I write the songs of love, special things. I write the songs that make the young girls cry. I write the songs, I write the songs. I am music, I write the songs. Something like that. If you got through that, give yourself a pat on the back. Thanks very much for watching and listening. I'll see you in whatever comes next. Bye for now.